down the bowl. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I could have asked for a pup cup. Oh my goodness.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Oh, are you so handsome? Oh, handsome boy. Smile.
B, the bus is here.
Run.
No. No.
This is a frayed potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle tater. Frayed potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big ol' potato boot.
Hey boy, what's up?
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
The first circle is to verify that I do in fact need to poop. The second is to check for gremlins and men with beards and hats. The third is to re-verify my need for pooping.
Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. I love you.
Don't scroll. Hang on. I have one question. Will you be my friend?
What the hell is quarantine mode? What does this do? Oh, dang. Okay.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
No.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming. What do? We swim.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Chubbies? I know more food.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.